Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in for another S.E.E.K science video powered by S.E.E.K Foundation. And today we are going to do the lava lamp challenge. Yay! So let's get started. The materials you are going to need to make a lava lamp are oil, and you can use different types of oil. This is avocado oil, vegetable oil, baby oil. So I will be manipulating different types of lava lamps. Well, not different type of lava lamps, but a lava lamp using different types of oil. And also Alka-Seltzer, food coloring, and whatever container you want to put it in, or glass jar, glass cup. So I'm using 3 different glass cups for my 3 different oils. Let's get it going. Okay, for step number 1, you are going to fill 1/3 of each glass cup with water and then 2/3 of vegetable oil. Well, not 2/3 because you don't want to fill it all the way to the top. So maybe like a little bit more than half than the water you're going to fill with oil in your cups. Okay? Next, we are going to choose a color and pour a few drops, maybe 3 to 5 drops, in one of each of the glass cups. Again, we're just going to use one color for each one and pour 3 to 5 drops. So I'm going to choose red, green, well, maybe red, blue, and green. All right, so if you notice, this oil has, it was easier for the bubbles, the color to actually sink through the baby oil and down to the water, is because it's not as dense as the oil, so it's lighter. Well, it's not lighter, it's heavier, so it's more dense and it's going to sink to the bottom. So with this, all I need to do is stir it to get it down to the bottom, because oil and water don't mix, but food coloring will mix with the oil and the water. All right, so we'll give it time and let it settle so we can get the color at the bottom. So it goes to show too that these oils are pretty thick. All right, so now let's just wait for it to settle. And once you have that, we are going to add the Alka-Seltzer in there. So you just want to put a few on the sides and just watch it happen. And there you have it, everyone, a lava lamp. And there are so many topics that you can cover with this, such as covalent bonds. You can also talk about density. You can talk about chemical reaction. Just check it out. Thanks for joining us. Bye.